If your Sony MDR-XB650 headphones also have old and damaged earpad cushions, then in this replacement tutorial, you'll learn how to cheaply and easily restore these headphones. Remember, damaged earpads not only look bad, but also negatively affect the sound. To replace the old pads, you'll need to buy new replacement earpads. The URL to them is in the video description. The old earpads can be removed very easily. They are glued to the headphone housing. Simply peel off the old pads and remove all the leftover glue. This way, nothing will interfere with installing the new earpads. Do the same for the other side. Remove the old pad and clean away the glue. It takes a bit of patience and time, but it's worth it. Then, take the replacement earpads, peel off the protective strip from the double-sided tape, and stick pad on. Carefully center both pads while attaching them, and the repair is complete. Now your Sony XB650 wireless headphones have new earpad cushions and will once again bring you years of enjoyment with great music.